Hi, I'm Kayo and welcome back to my channel. Today's kanji is sh, Q, Q. So let's get started. Meaning 9. Radical, district, odds, pronunciation, 訓読み、ここの、音読み、Q、く、stroke order 1, 2. There are 3 tips for writing Q beautifully. Tip 1. This shape is a triangle, but this top position is not on the center, right? So a little bit shifted to the left. Because this stroke needs a space, if you start it on the center, like this, you can't write this stroke long enough. So it's very important to know the full shape of the character. Okay? Please shift to the left, not on the center. Tip 2. This tip is about the balance of these 2 strokes. Okay? This vertical line bisects this horizontal line, but this stroke is first. Okay, so not like this. Here is short and here's long. So please write this stroke to be twice as long. Okay, and please align the bottom. Not like this. Okay? Please let me add one more tip. This stroke and this stroke is almost the same length. Yeah, or this stroke is a little bit longer. So yeah, not like this. Very similar. Yeah. Because this stroke is long and this stroke is short. Or like this. This short and this is too long. Okay? Alright, tip 3. This tip is about the stroke movement. This is the main stroke. Sweep and be aware of the flow of the stroke. This stroke is connecting this stroke and upward and stop at once and go down inside and bending. Here is a bending rounded, and the end of the stroke is upward to the right above. Okay? Yes. The second stroke is very busy. One more time. Please upward and stop at once and go down inside and bending rounded and go up. Okay? So yeah, not like this. This is flat. And yeah, this direction is not correct. Okay? Yeah, or this stroke is vertical. Yeah, so it's not good. Please go inside. Alright, so let's write again as a review. Alright, so next is example words. Number 1. 9つ 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 means 9. So, 全部で9つありました。全部で9つありました。全部で means in total or in all. ありました。ある means there is or there are. Okay? So it means there are 9 in all. 全部で9つありました。Right? Alright, number 2. 9冊 9冊 冊 is a counter for book. 図書館で本を9冊借りました。図書館で本を9冊借りました。図書館 means library. 本 means book. 借りました。借りる means borrow. So it means I borrowed 9 books from the library. 図書館で本を9冊借りました。Alright, number 3. 9割 9割 割 is a counter for a percentage. So 9割 means 90%. 1割 means 10%. 2割 means 20%. 3割 means 30%. Okay? これは9割の人が間違える問題です。これは9割の人が間違える問題です。間違える means make a mistake. 問題 means, in this case, question. Okay? So it means this is a question that 90% of people make a mistake. Okay? これは9割の人が間違える問題です。Alright, so that's all for today. See you next video.